Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Central Station and I haven't covered the new Central Station major upgrade works as of yet. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom one hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and here's the artist's impression of what the finished product will look like in just 3 years time. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a short stroll through the improvements that have been made. Anyway viewers, just want to quickly show you guys this. Well, that's currently in operation. And it will extend from Chatswood all the way through to here at Central and out towards the Bankstown line in just 3 years time. Quickly Oh, by the way, viewers, the lower concourse is ready for the Sydney Metro, coming in 3 years' time.
Upper concourse.
Anyway, viewers, unfortunately, that's all I had to show you guys. There's not much I can film, so I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.